Hey, okay, sis. Okay, give it to him. Yes, honey. Okay, yeah, so we're not even going to prolong the time. We're going to jump right into this video. So I'm starting off using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just going to place that all over my face. And then next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Cappuccino. And I'm actually going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Cappuccino foundation first, and then on top of that, I'm going to put my Smashbox foundation, because this is really like my summer shade, so it's kind of dark. Well, it's just a little dark, it's like a little tan. Then that Smashbox is just going to add more coverage and just really perfect my foundation. The reason I wanted to do this video today is because I feel like, since I'm a beginner at my makeup and I'm kind of perfecting my makeup and kind of just seeing what works for me, I can teach someone else, because I'm a beginner, so I feel like I can kind of help a beginner. I'm starting to love makeup so much, y'all. Oh my goodness, like I be wanting to beat my face every day, but I'm like, girl, no. Like, I already know, like, exfoliating my skin, I do not need no clogged pores and no breakouts, because y'all, we just got over that breakout stage. Thank you to Curology. If you have not seen that video, I will link it down below, so y'all can go check that video out as well. Also, follow me on Instagram at tia.mingo. Okay, I will follow back. Just be like, hey Tia, follow me back, boo. I'm like, okay, boo, I got you. So next, I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. This is in the shade Amber. Y'all, I love this stuff. Like, it's so smooth and it doesn't dry down too quickly, and it blends with my foundation so freaking well. Now I just put this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I usually blend out my chin first and my forehead, so my eyes can dry down just a little bit, so I get that maximum coverage under my eyes, because you know we like a good bright eye. Not too bright though, but just bright enough to look awake and flawless. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with a little makeup sponge that I bought from just a beauty supply store. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out softly. Do not like wipe your makeup off when you're blending it, or like scrub your face, or I guess wipe your face. Just blend it down into your skin. Next, I'm going with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I love this stuff. I personally recommend using a brush instead of a beauty blender or anything like that. I feel like with a brush you have more control over your powder. That's just me though, and you can add as much as you want to. I feel like with the sponge you can sometimes get like too much powder onto the sponge and it just like clumps on your face at once, and we do not want that, because once you set that concealer, baby, it's set. Okay, it is set and ready to go. we don't want y'all looking like a clown or having that backflash or whatever you want to call it, but we need y'all looking good and perfect. Okay, perfection. And I'm just adding as I see fit. Like, I don't want my under eyes too bright, but I do like them a little brighter than the rest of my face, just to make my eyes kind of pop, you know. And as you can also see, I'm just like, I have like a little powder at a time, and then I just build it. I don't put a lot of powder on my brush at one time. Okay, we see you, sis. Now I'm going to take my powder brush, the bigger one, and I'm just going to kind of buff that powder out and get any excess powder off my face before I actually set my entire face. And I'm just going to take a little bit, and you can see like I'm like knocking most of it off. I do not want a lot of powder. I do not need to be looking like a bag of flour, okay? We want to keep it real nice and natural. And I'm just going to really blend and buff that out. Now for my eyebrows, since I already have really thick eyebrows, I just kind of brush my eyebrows up, If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows when I do my eyebrows, then I will definitely be more than happy to make a video with you guys. But I just brush them up and then I'll like clean them up a little bit with the spoolie. Y'all, I be jigging when I be doing my makeup. Y'all, please excuse your girl, okay? Because y'all, I had my Drake on too. It was over with. Now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and this is the medium to light one. And I'm going with those two contour and I think it's like contour and sculpt powder. I'm going with both of those just to contour my face and bronze it out a little bit, you know. If y'all want to, y'all can do a cream contour. I don't really see any sense of doing a cream contour because, well, you gonna already bronze your face up in contour with powder, so why do both? If you want to, that's up to you. I just don't do that because I feel like that's just an unnecessary step to take. But if you do that, do you, boo. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do what's best for me, and it comes out good. Long as it comes out, long as your makeup come out good, I don't care how you do it, because makeup is just art. It's just something to have fun with. You know, we're not gonna take it seriously. This is just a part of beauty, enhancing our beauty, you know. And here I go jigging again. Okay, I think my part coming up, y'all. Pinky ring till I get a wedding ring. Whoop, hey. Y'all, I'm just crazy. So I'm just adding that. So your contour, like you do it like the dark areas that are already on your face, you just contour those areas. Don't put them any higher or any lower, except if you have like a rounder face and you want your face to look more snatched, then you would put it up a little bit higher. I'm gonna take these same two powders and contour my nose. I have like a longer nose, so the places that I want to appear smaller, my nose is kind of wide too, so I just do it on the sides of my nose and then I come down and do it on my nostril sides as well. I love this, y'all. Like, this base is bomb. Can we agree, sis? Oh, y'all, I contour on my forehead and my jawline as well. So now I'm gonna take those same two colors and those same two powder shades and just put that right in my crease, just to give it that warm effect to my eyes, and so it can just blend in with everything else. My face just comes together when I use the same like powders I do on my cheeks, on my eyes. Everything just comes together. And this is the Born to Glow palette by NYX. This is their highlight palette. I'm gonna use this color right here, this like rosy golden color. I guess it would be a rose gold. I don't know why I said rosy golden. Hey, I just made me a new foundation, not foundation shade, but highlight shade. Y'all, look at that. It's so beautiful. I love highlight. I can go, y'all, I can do the most with some highlight. Some highlight and bronzer. Oh, baby. I can do the most, honey. So I just put it on my cheekbones and right below my brow bone, on my nose. Sometimes I do it on my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my chin. Make sure you get that nose, okay? Make sure you get it. Alright, and of course, I gotta get them lashes popping. This is actually an old mascara. I've been putting water in it. That's a trick if to like non-clumpy lashes. Just add some water to your mascara and you'll get like the perfect lashes ever. Okay, look at you, sis. What are you doing, sis? I'm embarrassing myself. Give y'all a little up close. Okay, check your girl out. What's popping? It's popping. What's popping? Y'all be thinking I'm gangster when I have my makeup on. Who this, sis? It's me. What you thought? So I'm using my NYX. I think this is the NYX Liquid Suede like matte lipstick or something like that. I don't know. I'll put it in the description box for you guys. But this was actually a little too dark, and this is in the shade Honeymoon. It was a little too dark, so I added the NYX Sandstorm to it, just to make it a little bit more on the nude side, just to get that perfect nude. And it actually worked out perfectly. It was like the exact shade that I wanted. Yeah, I use this stuff every day. I didn't have like any more left. And I don't know why I won't throw it away, but it's just so beautiful to me. It's like one of my favorite lipsticks. I love all NYX's lip products, honestly. Okay, sis, we see you, girl. Subscribe to my channel, of course. I love you guys so much. Y'all know this. Kisses, 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 peace, love, prosperity, bye. All that. I love you guys. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Bye.